my name's Madison Mullins, and I'm a senior at Oklahoma State University studying aerospace logistics. Today we're going to be traveling around Oklahoma to visit different aerospace industries, starting with Tinker Air Force Base, home of the Oklahoma City Air Logistics Center. Let's get started. So here we are at Tinker, and I'm standing next to Kevin O'Connor, who's the director of the Aircraft Maintenance Group. Kevin, what do you do here?
Well, here at Tinker, we perform heavy maintenance on aircraft for the United States Air Force. Many of these aircraft have been flying for over 40 years, and they're expected to keep flying for another 35 years. So when they come in here for heavy maintenance, we do a lot more than just kick the tires and change the oil. We'll take them down to bare metal, we'll inspect for and repair cracks and corrosion. We'll also replace worn out parts. We'll even modify the aircraft with new technologies for new mission requirements. We do this with a team of great Americans. We've got a variety of different skills that are on our team. We've got engineers, avionics and electrical technicians, sheet metal mechanics, engine mechanics, just to name a few. So whatever your interest may be, we've got a career path for you here at Tinker Air Force Base. Tinker is also the largest single-site employer in Oklahoma with over 26,000 employees.
So this is the largest single-site employer in Oklahoma. Wow, I didn't know that. So now that we've seen what they do here at the Oklahoma City Air Logistics Center, let's take a trip up to Tulsa. So we're here in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, home of Flight Safety International, right outside of Tulsa. I'm here with Richard Lofton. Richard, can you tell us a little about what you do here?
Hi, Madison. I'm the manager of business development at Flight Safety International. We are the world's largest aviation training company, and we train about 75,000 pilots each year. If you'd like to take the badge, we can go out and I'll introduce you to a couple of people.
Sounds good.
Madison, I'd like to introduce you to Katie Arms. She's one of our program managers here at Flight Safety.
Hey, Katie.
Hi. As a program manager here at Flight Safety, I'm involved with the simulator build from start to finish. I work with all aspects of engineering, manufacturing, instruments, technicians, until the simulator is certified.
I'm Madison. I'm a software engineer here at Flight Safety. I write software to simulate aircraft systems from everything from a passenger jet to a military helicopter. We're sitting here at one of our Matrix devices, which is a big, expensive video game. And we write the software to make this act just like the real aircraft, so that when the pilot sits here, he learns how to operate the aircraft before he goes to the simulator and learns more.
Well, Madison, I hope you enjoyed your tour here at Flight Safety. As you've seen, we do lots of cool things. We have robotics, we have engineers that write software, we have people who build things, and we ship these simulators all over the world.
So we ship these simulators all over the world right here in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma.
Yes, we do.
Wow, I didn't know that. So now let's go see what else we can find. We're here at Frontier Electronic Systems in Stillwater, Oklahoma, where they do some really neat stuff. Let's go in and take a look. Here we are at Frontier Electronic Systems with Chuck Gray, Vice President, Chief Operating Officer. Chuck, can you show us what you do here?
Welcome, Madison. We are delighted to have you here at Frontier Electronic Systems, where we manufacture satellite systems, we manufacture aircraft cockpit displays, and test and simulation things for unmanned aerospace vehicles. Well, Madison, it looks like we're ready. Let's go take a look at exactly what we do.
Hi, I'm Madison.
Hi Madison, I'm Mike. I'm a program manager here at Frontier Electronic Systems. I want to tell you about some work that we've done for the International Space Station. On the International Space Station, they have an airlock module that the astronauts go into before they put on their spacesuits and go outside the station if they need to do work outside. And we built a box for the space station that's in that airlock module. And the box that we built allows the astronauts to check out their headsets, their communication system in their spacesuits before they go out on a spacewalk.
Well, Madison, now that you've seen some of the exciting things that we do here, such as manufacture cockpit displays for the F-18 Super Hornet, so pilots can see a picture of their engine and fuel information before they roll in on target. You've also been talking to an engineer that provided satellite hardware that provides pictorial information for CNN, and one of our program managers discussed how we produced an audio control panel for the International Space Station so that the astronauts can communicate when they're outside the station.
And we do all of that right here in Stillwater, Oklahoma. I didn't know that. So now that we've seen Frontier Electronics, let's go see what else we can find. So here we are in Duncan, Oklahoma. We're at Valco Manufacturing, and we're here with President and owner Roger Valdez. Roger, can you tell us a little bit about what you do here?
Yes, I can, Madison. First, I want to thank you for being here and welcome you to Valco Manufacturing. We are a sheet metal supplier for the aerospace industry. We do engineering work, we do our manufacturing to our customers' specifications and engineering blueprints and tooling. We do a lot of hydroforming type of work, drop hammer forming. We also do heat treat in-house. And we have a very wide and varied range of employees here. We have people that have to do the engineering work, the planning. They also we have the machine operators, drop hammer operators. We also manufacture parts for every military airplane and helicopter that flies.
And we do all of that right here in Duncan, Oklahoma. I didn't know that. So now we're down here in Norman, Oklahoma, visiting Design Intelligence Incorporated, and we're going to meet President and CEO James Grimsley. James?
Hi, Madison. Welcome to the OU Research Campus.
Thank you. It's nice to meet you. James, can you tell us a little bit about what you do here at DII?
Why don't we go back to my office and I'll tell you.
So James, what do you do here?
We work with what are called unmanned aerial systems, and in particular we're working with very, very small vehicles called micro-air vehicles. These are the vehicles that are going to be used by our military in the next 4 to 5 years for reconnaissance, surveillance, and just a variety of purposes and even possibly weapons. These are vehicles and systems that are modeled after birds. They're about the size of a bird. They're biomimetic. A lot of them will actually look like birds so that they can be concealed in the military environment or in the military mission. And they will carry a variety of payloads from sensors to warheads to just you name it. So we work with very, very small stuff.
So we're doing that kind of research and development right here in Oklahoma. Wow, I didn't know that. So we've been to 5 different Oklahoma cities today and 5 different aerospace industries. There are over 140,000 jobs that are just waiting for you. So study your math, your science, your engineering, and your technology, and when you get ready, I'll be looking out for you. So remember, not knowing is no longer an excuse.